Hello traders, you are welcome to another powerful breakdown of an essential Forex trading indicator. If you are looking for a tool that filters out market noise and gives you more precise buy and sell signals, then you need to pay attention to the Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator. In this video, I'm going to cover what the Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator is, how it improves on the traditional stochastic oscillator, how to use it effectively to spot high probability buy and sell signals, and a simple way to incorporate it into your trading strategy. So if you are ready to sharpen your market analysis, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us get right into it. Okay, first of all, let us break it down. I'm going to add the indicator right now to the chart. Okay, here we go. The Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator. It is an advanced version of the traditional stochastic oscillator, but with one key upgrade. It applies 2 layers of smoothing to filter out unnecessary noise. Okay, now the traditional stochastic indicator measures price momentum by comparing the closing price of a currency pair to its price range over a set period. While it's a useful tool, it can often generate too many signals, making it hard to distinguish between real opportunities and market noise. This is where the Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator comes in. By applying 2 smoothing techniques, it reduces false signals, making trend direction clearer and trading decisions more reliable. Now let's talk about how the Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator works and what signals to watch for. Okay, first of all, the indicator calculates the stochastic value by comparing the closing price to the price range over a given period. Then it applies 2 levels of smoothing to reduce unnecessary fluctuations and highlight stronger trends. So you will notice that the indicator line changes color based on momentum shifts. When the line turns green and starts rising from the bottom level below the 20 level, you can see the 20 level indicates oversold, while the 80 level indicates overbought. So when the indicator line turns green and start rising above the 20 level, it is a buy signal indicating that bullish momentum is building. On the other hand, when the line turns orange and starts curving downward from the overbought level, it's a sell signal indicating that bearish momentum is increasing. So this color-coded system makes it incredibly easy to identify trade opportunities at a glance. So why should you use the Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator instead of the traditional stochastic oscillator? 1, because of less noise and more accuracy. The extra smoothing eliminates false breakouts and whipsaws, making your signals more reliable. Secondly, for the sake of clear trend confirmation. Okay, instead of constantly reacting to small price movements, you can focus on stronger, more valid trends. All right. Also, it's quite simple and effective. Okay, the color coded signals make it easy to understand even if you are a beginner, while still providing enough detail for advanced traders. So by using this indicator, you are giving yourself a clearer perspective on price action, which can help improve entry and exit timing in your trades. So now that we understand how the Double Smoothed Stochastic Indicator works, let us talk about how to use it effectively in your trading strategy. So the first is to identify overbought and oversold conditions. When the indicator is near the bottom of the window, specifically below the 20 level, and turns green, the market is likely oversold, signaling a potential buy opportunity. All right. On the other hand, when the indicator is at the top of the window, specifically above the 80 level, and turns orange, the market is likely overbought, signaling a potential sell opportunity. Also, you can combine this indicator with other indicators for stronger confirmations. You can decide to add a moving average to the chart just for the sake of additional confirmation. Let's just add the 50 EMA to the chart. All right. So you can use this to confirm the overall trend direction. Perhaps when you get a sell signal from the double smooth stochastic, you can wait for price to cross below the moving average, the 50 EMA, before you enter your sell, and ensure that the double smooth stochastic is not yet in oversold level at that point. For example, we can see that at this point, the double smooth was already in the oversold. So this was not a good time to sell. So we would have waited. This was a better time to sell because the double smooth was below the overbought level, and it was still above the oversold level. And in fact, it turned orange. This was green, right? It was green when it climbed up from here, and then it turned orange. And around the same time, that was when the price dropped below the 50 EMA. So this was a perfect time to sell. So we would have considered selling around here, setting stop loss above here, which is above the previous swing high, and our take profit level could be somewhere around the support zone, right? You can use support zones for your take profit, or you can just decide to wait for this stochastic double smooth stochastic to turn back to green. When it turns to green, then you can consider that as, you know, an exit signal. All right. Ensure to always combine with support and resistance levels. Okay, it's important. Just map out your levels on the chart, because those can give you a heads up as to possible reversal points. So take note of that. Avoid jumping into a trade immediately after the indicator changes color. Okay, make sure you always get additional price action confirmation, such as strong bullish or bearish candles. Okay, so by using these techniques, you can avoid false signals and improve your trade accuracy. Now, the double smooth stochastic indicator is quite a powerful upgrade to the traditional stochastic oscillator, providing clearer signals, reduced market noise, and better trade opportunities. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this tool can help you spot trend reversals and momentum shifts with greater confidence. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Okay, let me know in the comments, do you use stochastic indicators in your trading? What is your favorite way to confirm signals? Let us discuss. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.